Good evening, my name is Vineet and you're watching Next in Maharashtra, a special segment where we bring you the latest from India's financial capital. Here's what's making headlines in Maharashtra in the past week. In a major development for India's maritime sector, PSA Mumbai's Bharat Mumbai Container Terminal has been inaugurated as the country's largest container port. Here's the report.
In a major boost to India's maritime sector, PSA Mumbai's Bharat Mumbai Container Terminal has been inaugurated as India's largest container terminal. The Phase 2 expansion was virtually launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Singaporean counterpart Lawrence Wong. The project, which involved a significant investment from PSA International, is expected to reshape regional logistics and trade. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, who was present at the JN Port Trust site for the ceremony, lauded the achievement as a moment of great pride.
It's indeed a very historic moment, and I would like to congratulate JNPA and Port of Singapore Authority, PSA India, for collaborating and creating India's largest container terminal. Today, Maharashtra has regained its position as #1 handler of cargo in terms of port capacity that is created in India.
Moving on, the Maharashtra government has given a major boost to urban infrastructure by green-lighting 2 new metro corridors for Mumbai and Thane. Have a look.
In a major boost to urban infrastructure, the Maharashtra cabinet has cleared 2 significant metro corridors for Mumbai and Thane. The cabinet approved Metro Line 11, a new 17.51 kilometer extension connecting Anik Depot in Wadala to the Gateway of India, a project worth over 23,000 crore rupees. The new corridor is expected to significantly reduce congestion in South Mumbai. Additionally, the state government also gave the green light to a 29-kilometer circular Thane Ring Metro, estimated to cost 12,200 crore rupees.
लगभग 23,000 करोड़ के मेट्रो के निर्णय लिए हैं। थाने में भी रिंग मेट्रो का निर्णय लिया है, पुणे का भी लिया है, मुंबई के भी मेट्रो के निर्णय लिए हैं।
And in more news, a new state initiative is now underway to empower villages and make every Gram Panchayat self-reliant. Have a look at this report.
A district-level workshop was organized in Pune as part of the Chief Minister's Samruddh Panchayat Raj Abhiyan. Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar was present at the event and addressed the attendees. The campaign's main objective is to empower Gram Panchayats and make every village self-reliant, paving the way for a strong state and country. Ajit Pawar stressed the importance of public participation and quality work to ensure the benefits of schemes reach the common people directly, with the ultimate goal of achieving a developed Maharashtra by 2047.
मुख्यमंत्री समृद्ध पंचायत राज अभियान हे खरं तर महात्मा गांधीजींच्या स्वप्नातलं आणि स्वर्गीय यशवंतराव चव्हाण साहेबांच्या कार्यातून उभं राहिलेलं गाव समृद्धीचं नवं मॉडेल आहे असं म्हटलं तर काही ते चुकीचं ठरणार नाही। हे आमचं महायुतीचं सरकार नेहमीच लोककल्याणाच्या दृष्टीने काम करत असतं। समाजातल्या प्रत्येक घटकाचा विकास हा आपल्या सरकारचा ध्यास आहे आणि त्याच करता आम्ही प्रयत्न करत असतो।
Meanwhile, the development of New Nagpur as an international business hub is set to be fast-tracked by the signing of 2 key agreements by the Maharashtra government. Watch this special report.
The Maharashtra government signed 2 key memorandums of understanding to fast-track the development of New Nagpur as an international business and financial hub. The agreements were signed in the presence of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis between the Nagpur Metropolitan Region Development Authority and 2 central public sector undertakings, NBCs.
Special report.
The Maharashtra government signed 2 key memorandums of understanding to fast-track the development of New Nagpur as an international business and financial hub. The agreements were signed in the presence of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis between the Nagpur Metropolitan Region Development Authority and 2 central public sector undertakings, NBCC and HUDCO. Under the MOU with the NBCC and the NMRDA, development will begin on 1,000 acres of the 1,710-acre project, with the remaining land kept for future expansion. Infrastructure such as integrated underground utility tunnels, a district cooling system, an automated waste collection plant and facilities for startups, MSMEs and IT firms will be developed. The agreement with NMRDA and HUDCO secures Rs 11,300 crore in funding, Rs 6,500 crore for land acquisition and infrastructure development in New Nagpur, and Rs 4,800 crores for acquiring land for the Nagpur Outer Ring Road. HUDCO will also conduct training and capacity building programs as part of the partnership.
And our next big focus, in a significant move to support farmers, the Maharashtra government has launched the Namo Shetkari Mahasamman Yojana. Here's the final report.
On the lines of the central government's PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, the Maharashtra government has launched the 7th installment of the Namo Shetkari Mahasamman Yojana to provide additional financial assistance of Rs 2,000 to farmers, totaling to Rs 6,000 annually. Here's what the CM said.
महाराष्ट्रामध्ये महायुतीच्या सरकारने देखील नमो शेतकरी महासन्मान योजना सुरू केली आणि या योजनेत आम्ही निर्णय घेतला की केंद्र सरकारच्या 6,000 रुपयांसोबत महाराष्ट्र सरकार देखील त्याच लाभार्थ्यांना शेतकऱ्यांना 6,000 रुपये देईल, म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रातल्या शेतकऱ्यांना एकूण 12,000 रुपये त्या ठिकाणी मिळतील.
Well, these are the week's updates from Maharashtra. You're watching our special segment Next in Maharashtra. Stay tuned for more news and updates. Thank you for watching.